Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up to Hancock Bank online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Hancock Bank. Then we're going to click on the above link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on personal. Then under that we're going to click on savings. So it's going to show us the amount of saving accounts they have. So we're going to choose. So depending on our preference, once we're done, we're going to click on open an account. Then we're going to insert our email as well as our zip code since they operate in the Gulf of South, which include the states of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. Make sure your zip code is around those areas, or particularly in those areas. So next, we're going to click on Get Started as a new client since it's a new application. Then next, click on Just Me since you're the one opening the account. Then here, you're going to write the personal details, all about you, your name, your phone, and make sure you're a US citizen option. So click on continue. Then after that, they're going to show you the disclosure. Then once they confirm, they're going to make you deposit some money. So this is how you open their account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.